I'm Andrea with the Vegas Cookie, and I was going to do my review on the Dyson Groom. It's an attachment right here. This is my Dyson vacuum. It's the Dyson DC40. It in itself is an amazing vacuum cleaner. I had a really good vacuum cleaner before I got my Dyson, and I vacuumed the whole entire house, and then I re-vacuumed it with my Dyson, and it picked up an amazing amount of pet dander that I didn't even realize was there, and that was before we had our second dog. So I'm going to go get my long-haired dog, Molly. She's very shy. She's from a shelter, and she had to get used to this a little bit, but now it doesn't bother her. Here, Molly. I'm going to sit you right here. This is Molly. She's a Bernese Mountain Dog mix. It's not her favorite thing, but she tolerates it. Come here. Okay, come here. It just clips into the hose, and then it's like a brush. So I'm going to start it. I'm probably going to fast forward a little bit or put music over all the loud vacuuming, but I'm going to show you how much hair it's getting off. Turn her around to the other side. So as you can see, Molly has a lot of hair, and it got quite a bit in here. Usually I'd even go longer, but just for the sake of the video, and she's a little bit nervous, we'll just give it a break. But she learned to tolerate it really well after doing it a couple times, and it's not her favorite thing, but it's very effective, and it gets all that dander and all that hair off, so you're not constantly vacuuming your floor and your carpet, and it's not all over your couches and everything every day. So it's the Dyson Groom. I actually got it on Amazon. Usually it runs, I think, for around $70, but it's been a lifesaver. I don't really take my dog to the groomer, so it's not really, so it helps to cut down on the cost of that. I don't need to get them groomed by a new professional. It gets all their hair out. And I think that's it. Thank you.